Morning. So it's 2 a.m. in the morning and I woke up early. Tulog ko hapon. Mostly the whole day. I was really tired. Kape ko. Then look at the moon. Grabe oh. Looking one. Super bright. And it's quiet. Gusto ko yung hangin. Well, yeah. Hangin kayo. Maglakaw ko. Tapos si Kim, mudagan. Gusto ko yung hangin diri karon. So, hopefully di siya mulupad. Tabingi siya mo lakaw. Ay, mudagan. Ngit-ngit pa kayo. Hopefully, dili mo ulan. So, today is March 24. Calm pa rin yung dagat. Pero grabe gusto ko yung hangin, no? Dagan na si Baba. Have fun ba? Runner ba siya, runner? Ang aso. Sumusunod pa rin sa kanya. Oh my goodness. I can't really zoom yung camera, but I could see them running together. That's so funny. Oh my gosh, if I could just zoom it. Oh, the dog stopped. So it's kind of weird coming home and not seeing the family. But it's okay. We'll see them next year anyways. See you guys next year. Sorry if we cannot visit you guys. Okay, limited ramo ang time. But we will make it up next year. Pohon. Look at the dog. He's so cute. He's playing. I wonder what he's playing. Wonder. So cute. Oo.
Hold on, wait up just a minute now. What are you doing to me? Hold on, I'm awake, dreaming somehow. What are you doing to me? Wait a second, take it slow. Wait a second, don't you know you're messing with my sense of time, and you are always on my mind.
How was your running? It's good? Good job eh. Mga ilang calories din yon? 3. Tapos kain later. Wala din. Kahit OMAD. Parang tumata. Kailang yan, girl. Depende. Yeah, summer yung algae. Summer na. Alam mo kung bakit? Yung hangin. You can feel it humid, right?
Oo.
Mainit yung hangin, may kasama.
Kahapon na.
Noong kahapon mas malamig yung hangin. Ngayon,
Malamig nung ano.
Mainit.
The other day, yesterday, mainit.
Yeah.
I mean, sa hapon.
oh,
Sa hapon. Paraw pala tayo later.
yeah. Yap.
What are you doing to me? Hold on, wait.
Paparaw kami ni Baba. Naantay lang namin yung...
Ano papa? Ito na, nagpaparaw na tayo. Meron pala dyan.
Ha? Sakit naman din yung tiyan ko. Nasira sa chocolate milk. No, hot chocolate milk. 30 minutes yung yung biyahe. Grabe, grabe.
A September night and the summer's old. This still feels so right, but it's getting cold. Door is open like the fuse. If you want me to, I will let you go. There'll be someone new. I don't wanna know. I have no idea what I would do without you. And I know it's me that has caused you trouble, but I'm changing more than you know. Every minute with you I stumble. Maybe that's why you're still here. That makes me love you even more. Always by myself, always in control. This is something else. I need to let it go. Like a hurricane, you took the room. In the light of stars, I would tell you what I feel. Love feels like a fever, then you know it is for real. The door is open like the fuse.
Pabalik namin yung iba, oh.
I know it's me that has caused you trouble, but I'm changing more than you know. Every minute with you I stumble. Maybe that's why you're still here. That makes me love you even more.
May na. Ba't ang dami? It's okay, so good. Did you have fun, Be?
Yeah, it was fun.
It was fun. See, there's a lot of people
I miss the sunset,
watching the
sunset.
sunset. Wow, perfect. Kahit cloudy, still love the sunset here in Boracay. Kahit araw-araw. Nunood. Ganda, men. Daming tao. Diba? Dami na nakaupo, oh. Upo tayo, be.
Saan?
Doon, pagdating sa may hotel. Kuya, feeling.
Ah,
Feeling.
See, ganyan mag-picture yung madami, hindi yung isa.
Eh di wow. Wow! Daming tao.
Sabi ko,
Nakanganga. Nakanganga si Ateng. Wow! So beautiful. So beautiful.
ay,
Ah, di kita.
ang ganda. Ganda ko yung picture ah. Ganda ko dyan.
Ayan. Wow! Feeling. Kaya pala maraming tao because it's Holy Week or Palm Sunday. Yes, that's right.
Oh my gosh, my freaking stomach. Oh, this is nice.
Aww.
Oo. Ah, ito I like.
Ah, sana si? Exactly 30 minutes talaga.
Nice. I like the pictures. Worth it yung bigay kong clip.
Sorry po.
Do what you want, baby.
Picture tayo.
You and me in the sun.
Wala na.
Know that I still be here when the day